Hello and welcome. In this short video, I will be demonstrating how a multi-container ocean consolidated shipment can be planned through TM by EDI. Throughout the presentation, I've discussed the types of information that you will see coming in on an EDI 304. This information will tell us everything about the physical transport of the shipment, everything from the container information to the route to some dates, as well as the master bill of lading and the carrier. When we receive an EDI from a freight forwarder or customs broker, NGG translates that EDI file into an XML, which TM can process. This is what you see here on the right. As you can see, this XML contains the same information: a shipment reference, a master bill of lading, some dates, as well as port information and container information. Now, as you will see on the left here inside TM, I am able to query for different ocean freight bookings. To start here, I will be looking for the shipment reference. As you can see, I'm starting with one of my two options is CCD 55989. This is the shipment we'll be focusing on in this video. The work list is currently empty because this shipment is not created. However, once I process this XML, this mimics the process that we would be following as we receive an EDI through NGG, and that XML would process through TM. Now, when I refresh the work list, you can see here a shell booking has been created. If we open this shell booking up, we will see that all of the information that was transmitted through the EDI and into the XML has now been updated on this booking order document. It now has a unique SAP shipment number. The carrier has been assigned. There's an executing carrier, master bill of lading. Other pertinent information here would be the stages, which outline the path here. So this is going to be leaving the US in Long Beach and arriving in Taiwan. The final thing to note is that you can see we do have two containers created. In the next step, I will be processing an abbreviated 856, which will plan two deliveries, one to each container. So now we will close this, open a second variant, which I've set up. This XML will mimic what we receive in the abbreviated 856. As you can see, the shipment reference is the same as what was in the 304 previously. There's two deliveries, both of which would, in theory, be at the customs broker or consolidation point. And you can also see that there's alignment for the container references that were previously on, or that are on the shipment that I just created. When we process this XML, as you'll see as I refresh on the left, the information for this booking for the source and destination has now been planned according to the freight units. If we open this booking once again, we will see here shortly that if we close these down, you will see that one delivery has been planned to each container based on the reference that was given in the XML. So you'll see ending in 9465 right here is planned to the container ending in 4710. Similarly, with the one ending in 9427 is planned to the container ending in 4711. In this way, the freight forwarder or customs broker is able to tell us which shipments a given delivery may be planned to, as well as the container information. All of this information will be updated into ECC, where it will then be accessible to be referenced by any number of other process teams.